Assalamu alaikum viewers, Khushamidi. Today I have come up with a very easy and quick snack recipe, potato balls. So let's get started. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. Here I have taken 2 raw grated potatoes, 1 cup rice flour, some water. Before adding other ingredients, we'll mix it well. As it's mixed well, I'm gonna add few more ingredients into it. Now adding 1 tablespoon of semolina or suji, 1 chopped onion, chili flakes according to your taste. Here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, and you can also substitute it with green chilies, pinch of black pepper, pinch of turmeric, oregano. You can also replace it with cumin, zira. Adding some ghee to make it softer from inside. Salt to taste. Some chopped coriander. Now give it a good mix. We're gonna mix it in a dough form. This is exactly the way we want in a dough form. You can also use your hand to mix it well. I'm gonna set aside for 10 minutes on room temperature. You can also freeze it, or you can just directly fry it. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna take some portion of the mixture with the help of a spoon and form a lemon-sized ball. Now as you can see, I've made a few balls out of the mixture. Now the oil is hot enough to drop the potato balls one by one. Let the flame be on medium to high for initial 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the flame is on medium to low. Make sure you toss the potato balls in between so that it is fried from all the sides. After 4 to 5 minutes, as you can see, our potato balls are completely fried. Now it's good time to remove it. As you can notice, it looks amazingly crispy. Just make sure whenever you fry something, take out in a kitchen paper so that it absorbs excess oil. If you enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Finally, the potato balls are ready. Drizzle some chili flakes and oregano. Serve hot with tomato ketchup. I do hope you're gonna try at least once. Thank you so much for stopping by. Inshallah, I'll be back with a new quick and easy recipe. Until Allah Hafiz.